Hey guys, it's Nellie from Bee Planner Happy. I just wanted to do this quick video because I decorated some pages on my own. I didn't record a plan with me. I needed to get them done and I need to start writing in them. So I figured I'd just do a quick little show and tell of the spreads I'm using this week and an after the pen for my catch-all for March. So you know what, let's just start with these. So this is my Skinny Mini Gratitude Journal. I did a really simple spread. I was, really trying to get these done, but I think it came out pretty cute anyway. Plenty of room for me to write. I just did washi down the sides, some florals, and a little washi in the middle. And boom, it was done really quick, nice and easy. This one took a little bit longer. I wanted to use these boxes that I had. It was from a printable kit. I don't remember who the kit is from. If you want to know, ask me and I will link it in the, but if you don't care, then you don't care. So anyway, I used these stickers. I did some washi on the sides, and there's a hair. And I did florals going down both sides. I'd never done that. I wanted to try something a little bit different. And then I just added these little stickers from, those are from Paper House Products. Paper House Products or Paper House Productions, something like that. So that's that one. And then this one, I actually dreamt. I don't know if you guys dream about stickers, but I dream about stickers and putting stickers down because that's pretty much what I do all day. But I dreamt about a blue, and actually it was a darker blue, but it was a blue and gray spread. And so I just kind of was going with those colors at first, and then I noticed that the hearts were sort of like a peachy color. So I found these and I thought that they went really well. So this is just a quick, simple spread. Put some washi, a few boxes, a few flowers, boom, done. Okay, so this is my, well, I guess I'll show y'all this. I don't know if you guys are following my series for my my monthly layout planner. This was the monthly view. This was the dashboard page. These are the task pages. I already started writing in that one. Here's the notes pages where I kind of do a little bit of business journaling. These are my stats, damn it, and I just realized I forgot to write them down on the first. Well, that's the second, that'll be good enough. And then this is my monthly, it says weekly expenses, but it's my monthly expenses page. So that's my work planner. And now this is the after the pen for March. I really have been kind of bad about taking pictures of these and posting them. I need to do that. Everybody seems to always enjoy the after the pens to see how I wrote in a very sticker heavy spread. But this was my currently page. These were stickers from my shop. The only thing I really did was, fill it in, and then I did little dots. I like doing dots. I think it makes the page look kind of cute. Okay, so this page, I just didn't want to flip through a blank page, but basically I just used stickers and it's kind of boring. Okay, so this one, everybody seemed to like this spread. It was so pretty when it was like nothing on it. It still looks pretty good. I used light colors and I really filled it in. So that one's really fun. This was, I don't know, I guess I should prepare for these by having the names of the sticker books, but there is a plan with me for this one, and I do talk about the sticker book I used for this one. So if you really want to know, you can go to the plan with me for this one and see. So anyway, these were just cute little houses, cute little boxes, and then I added little touches here and there. This one was for International Women's Day. I wanted to use and do a more kind of sophisticated spread. My spreads tend to be kind of cute and whimsical. This one was more, kind of sophisticated and stylish. I don't know. And I kind of went with a different color palette than I'm used to, but I still think it came out really nice. And I was able to write in it and use it the way that I use it. And whoa, this is a lot of green. So obviously this was St. Patrick's Day week. This was St. Patrick's Day. These were stickers from my shop. There is a plan with me for this one, and I used pink as the accent, and I used these black boxes are also from my shop. They're called dash line boxes, and I really love using these. I used them over here too in the different colors. There's just something about those boxes. I really like them. So that's the week of St. Patrick's Day. And then this one was also a plan with me where I used long boxes instead of individual small boxes. And as you can see, this is kind of the way I made it work for me. For the day that it was mostly on, that's when I wrote down what we did that day. I used some cute, just black and white icons and did these little, you know, I don't know what you call those, exclamation. Oh, I forgot to put the black right there. But yeah, I thought that was kind of neat. And then in each box, I used the color of the box. And then around the outside, I used the blue. So thank you. I don't remember who it was. I think maybe Celeste. She was the one that said use all the colors when I asked what color to use. And someone else said blue, so I kind of did both things. I used mostly blue on the outside, and then I did the colors on the inside. And I think it came out really nice and cute and different. All right, so this was last week. So remember, we had a parade in my planner. And what was I thinking? Because I hardly had any room to write. But I made it work. I used blue because I figured, you know, blue in the sky. This was fun to make. I really wanted to use this sticker, and then I had all of these little animals that were on wheels, and I thought it would be cute to do like a little road with a parade and then the grass and some fences. So that was last week. Ended on the 31st. I haven't done my catch-all yet for April, but I will do that this week, probably tomorrow. Anyway, so I wanted to show y'all how it all turned out and how I wrote in it, and that's it. I think that was all of them, right? Now, I can't remember. I did do a flip through of February, right? Let me just flip through them. I'm pretty sure I did. Just in case, there's February. That one's so pretty. And then here's March. Boring, because I didn't write in it. I'm not quite sure what to do with those just yet. I don't know. Anyway, there's the flip through. And then here are the ones I'm using this week. This is my to-do planner. I just write my to-do list for the day. This is my fitness tracker where I write my steps, my calories, and then I just started working out. Yay! I did my first workout today. And then this is my Skinny Mini, which is a couple's gratitude journal. So there it is. That's what I'm using this week. Hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.